Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to learn how to convert a business name into a company. You can convert your business name into either a private limited company or a public limited company in Kenya. So let's see how you can do that. Go to ecitizen.go.ke and click on sign in. This is how the official eCitizen website looks like. There's a link in the description. Enter your eCitizen login details, that is your email address or ID number and the password, and click on sign in. If your account is OTP enabled, choose where you want to receive your OTP one-time password, either email or phone, by clicking on the relevant item. Enter the OTP and click on next. Once the eCitizen portal opens, confirm that you're making the application using your account or the owner's account. Scroll down and click on BRS, Business Registration Services. Choose the account you want to proceed with. Since you want to convert your business name into a company, obviously you're going to see your personal account and your organization account being your business name. So make sure you proceed with your personal account, not your organization account. Again, confirm that you're continuing this application using your personal account and click on continue. It's going to open the old BRS portal. This is how it looks like. Click on make application. Now, to convert your business name into a company, you have to use the new BRS portal. So among the services, click on apply now in BRS V2, BRS version 2. Read the message from BRS on their transition from the old portal to the new portal and click on apply now to continue. Click on login with eCitizen. Again, this is very important. Make sure you proceed to the new portal using your personal account for you to be able to access the menu to convert your business name into a company. So you need to continue with your personal account, not your business account. Confirm that you are continuing this application using your personal account and click on continue. In the company's registry services card, click on proceed. Now on the left sidebar, there is the individual account with your name. Click on the drop down arrow. Click on the business name that you want to convert into a company. Now the menu to manage your company will appear on the left sidebar. Make sure you click on the maintain company menu and click on apply next to cessation of business. Now the business name is going to auto-populate from the BRS records as well as the registration number. Now you have to choose a reason for cessation by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the reason for cessation field. Now click on cessation to convert. You can convert into either of the three provided options: a private limited company, a public limited, or limited liability partnership. So click on private limited. Once you do that, you are going to upload the BN6 form and sign where there is the signature column. Scan the form. Make sure you scan. Don't take a picture. Scan and then upload it back here by clicking on choose file. You are going to pay a fee. I don't know if it's 150 or 250 Kenyan shillings. Once BRS reviews, it takes 1 working day. They are going to close the business name so that it will be available for registration as a company name. So after that, once they review, come back and check on the status. If approved, a new menu is going to appear telling you to proceed with company registration. So the company registration process will still be the same as if registering a new company. So you're still going to have to provide 3 names. Of course, you're going to start with your new business name and other 2 names, and then follow the rest of the process in company registration. there's a video in the description on company registration. So the steps are going to be similar to that. The only difference is that your name will first have to be closed, and then it will be available for you to proceed to register it as a company. And then you're going to pay the company fee for 10,750. And once then your company is approved, which takes 3 working days, you'll be able to get your company registration certificate and proceed with your business operations. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name has been Catherine. Today we learned how to convert a business name into a company. Until next time, bye bye.